Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaniece T. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my eyebrows, how I carve them out and make them look like sisters. Please like this video and subscribe if you like the vibe. If you want to learn how I do my eyebrows, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So to start off, I'm gonna use the ebony spray and brush that into my eyebrow. The hairs stay up exactly where I want them. And now I'm going to fill in my eyebrow with the Rimmel London pencil in the shade Black Brown. So I'm just drawing the line under my eyebrow and now I'm just carving out an imaginary arch. Now I'm just blending out the beginning of my eyebrow with the spoolie, just blending out the pencil. And I'm going to carve out my eyebrow with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I like to start at the arch and then carve out the rest of my eyebrow. So now I'm lining up the beginning and I'm lining up the end of my eyebrow. I like to cover my whole lid with the concealer. I move on to the next eyebrow. I'm not finished with the first eyebrow. This way I can match up the eyebrows together. So I'm carving out the arch of the second eyebrow and then carving out the beginning and end of the eyebrow after. Now I'm gonna go to the top of my eyebrow. I'm gonna start from the beginning. You can see that I've drawn my concealer a bit higher than where I want my eyebrow to be. That way I can slowly get closer to the eyebrow while also creating the shape that I want. I'm not finished with the eyebrow, but I'm moving on to the second one. So I'm trying to find the perfect arch. So now I'm creating a unibrow with the concealer. This helps me to make sure the beginning of both of my eyebrows start at the exact same place. Right now, I'm just taking off the concealer of my eyebrow to redefine the arch. Maybe the arch was too high. And I'm just gonna carve out the arch again. So I'm taking my fluffy concealer brush and blending out my concealer under my eyebrow first, and then I'm gonna move to the top of my eyebrow. I like to make sure the edges of my concealer is blended out. Now I'm using a smaller brush to break up the unibrow. You can see that around my eyebrow it's kind of shiny. That's excess product from the concealer. So I'm using my fluffy brush to take off the excess. I'm not wiping it, I'm just tapping it on my eyebrow and wiping that off on a tissue so I don't put more product onto my eyebrow. Now I'm using my spoolie again to blend out the front of my eyebrow, so the beginning is not so harsh and it looks a bit more natural, and just making sure everything is blended out. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to like the video and subscribe if you like the vibe. All the products I used will be linked down below. I will see you in the next video. Bye.